Hello everyone, this is Vinay here from Learn Coding with Vinay, and this is the first video of our series where we will be building movie rating application from scratch using ASP.NET Core 8 MVC, Dapper, MicroRM, and ChatGPT as our coding assistants. So in this video, we are going to look into database design and we will discuss the same with ChatGPT. So let's dive into it. So let me quickly walk you through till now what I have gathered, right? So as a part of this application, as I said, we will be using Dapper. So we will create the database stuff first, right? And then we'll slowly move towards the .NET code, right? So I have tried to prepare a database for this application, movie rating application. I'll just quickly walk you through, and then we'll share the same with details with ChatGPT and ask for the suggestion. If this looks good, then we'll ask ChatGPT to generate SQL script for us so that we can create the database and tables. Right. So let me quickly walk you through in this Excel. I hope this is visible. Right. So first table is what I have taken is as content type. Content type would be whether it is a movie, short film, or a web series, right? And then in every table we are putting is active flag to for logical delete. We won't have the physical delete, right? Then the industry name maybe Bollywood, Hollywood, Bhojpuri, Korean, right? Whatever it is. Then the content genre, right? Horror, comedy, thriller, love story, rom-com, action, animation, cartoon, patriotic, period drama, right? All those things. Then the content. So this will be either the name of the movie or the series or the short film, right? So over here we'll have the movie name, then of it is of which content type, which industry, which genre, and the short description about the movie. Then the poster of the movie, release date, content length in minutes, right? Budget on a how budget in crores. So what was the amount spent to build that movie or web series or short film, right? Earned. Then what was the amount of money the movie earned, right? Then is approved by admin. So this will be a back end kind of column, right? So we will have three role in this application: admin, help desk or data entry operator, and viewer will be customer like you, me, right? Though those who are watching the movies, they can rate, they can provide ratings on the movies, right? But there will be some guy who will be entering all this detail, right? And once it is approved only, then it will reflect on the website, otherwise it will not, right? So let's say data entry guy or a helpless guy has entered a movie detail, right? And then if it is approved by admin, then only it will be visible on the website, otherwise it will not, right? So that's why this flag is kept over here, right? Then content language. So in how many languages the movie were released. So now we are we are in the age that most of the movies, if you talk about Bollywood, then most of the movies are releasing pan India. So basically they are releasing in Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, whatever languages are, other languages are there, they try to release in all possible languages to cover all the audience, right? Now the next is the role name. Now we'll also have to maintain movie and its cast basically. So what and the role would be actor, actress, director, music director, producer. As of now I have kept this many. We can add further also, right? Then the cast. So movie will have cast, so we'll have a separate table for cast. That will have cast name, image, gender, male, female, or others, right? So we are keeping this column sweet and short. Ideally there will be further information also, like email address, phone number, maybe specialization in certain type of acting or not, dancing, or voiceover artist or whatever it is, right? But we are keeping it short over here. Again, this detail will be entered by someone, either help desk or a data entry operator. So we are also kept keeping the is approved flag over here, and if it is approved, then only this detail will be seen on the website, otherwise not. Then the content cast. So content cast, with this content ID is the movie or web series name, cast ID would be actor or actress name, actress ID from here, and the content role, and the role they are playing it. Now one actor can be hero in another one movie, and can be villain in another movie, can direct the movie. So that's why, so that is the reason one person can play multiple role in the same movie or in the different movies. So we had to keep this table separate, right? Otherwise we could have just added over here only in the cast, content cast, right? So we are adding it as a separate table. Now user is, user is the reviewer, basically us in most of the cases, right? So ID, name, email, password, salt, mobile is active, right? Then the role of that user. So user will be either, uh, admin, help desk, and data entry guy, or a viewer. So we can add this over here also, one column, or maybe we can have it a separate table. Let me let me do one thing. Let's consider that the single person will have single role only. Let's keep it simple, this one. So let's keep this as role ID, right? So this will be a role and then ID, uh, one to one relation with user and role. Here this is what we are specifying over here, right? So let me correct this sequencing, right? Okay, so this is okay. So that way we know what, the user and what is its role. And then user content rating. Now this will be, the rating given to a particular movie, web series, or something like that. So rating, this will be, the number one was too poor and so on. Comments, if user want to write comments. Recommendation, like for here we can, user can recommend whether a movie is a must watch or a one time watch or not worth watching at all, right? And rated on date and time, when was the rating provided. Then user content cast rating. So this table I have taken, to rate a particular cast person. So basically actor, director, music director, right? So user can rate individual persons also, right? Actor, music director, they can rate them also. So I have taken this also, right? So I hope this will give you a good overview, and I don't want to complicate application much. We'll keep it simple as of now, right? So I have taken this. Now let's push this and discuss. Let's try to push this entire thing to chat gpt, and let's say what does it have to say about our design, right? I'll go to chat gpt, I'll close rest of the thing, right? And let me rename this first like my other I have done. So it will be poc underscore movie ratings underscore mvc. Okay, so let's go ahead and paste it over here. So let's discuss database design for the application. Here is what I have prepared as part of DB design. Please review it once and suggest from your side as well, right? And what we'll be doing, will be simply just copy pasting what we have copied from the Excel, right? And let's push this, and let's say what does it has to say. So let's go over it. The chat gpt has generated the response, and it is saying that okay, some of the great things are here, that support soft deletion, separation of concern. We have created separate tables, normalized schema, right? Admin approval flag, useful for moderation of public visibility, user ratings and content, very thoughtful to separate user rating and content, right? This is all good. Now suggestion from ChatGPT. I see very nicely it detected typo in my text, and it is says that you should use this, you should use this. Okay, so this is good. Now next, schema relationship. Now it is also saying that we can add a URL, add a field like trailer URL or IMDb link. Okay, this is good. This is good. However, we are not going with URL. So we'll keep this. User consider separating authentication from profile if needed later. So here it is saying that we should not have the role ID in the user table itself. We should have role ID. We should have separate user role table. That's what it is saying. Content genre, okay, could allow multiple genre via a junction table. Okay, yeah, because generally, sometime a movie can be of one or two genre, right? But let's keep it single only as of now. Content language, okay, so it is saying content language. This is good, but rename table to content language is to reflect many to many relationship. Okay, man to man relationship, yeah, okay, because one movie can be released in multiple languages. Okay. Cast, add date of birth, bio, country if you plan to show profile page later. No, that's okay. We don't need profile page. It's okay. But this is a good idea, profile page or maybe, yeah. Good suggestion basically from ChatGPT. User content rating. You may optionally store watched on platform Netflix. That's okay. User content casting rating. Okay. Good use case. You can also store role ID optionally to clarify actor rating, director rating. Okay. Okay, let me see what it is saying over here. User content cast rating. Good use case. You can also store role ID optionally to clarify this as actor director rating. Okay, I think we should have that. Let me, this is content cast ID. Okay, let me show content cast ID. Yeah, this is what it is. So this guy has played this role, and for this role it is being rated, and content, and this is the content. Yeah, it is there. I didn't get what it is saying over here, right? But that's okay. Indexing, yeah, indexing will do it later. Audit trail for production consideration option field like created on, yeah. So this should be, so we will take last updated by and last modified by in almost every field, you know and let's say storing password and salt directly in user table is okay, but ensure use, yeah, we will use this hashing password, right? Okay. So okay, so now let's say, okay, uh, your suggestions looks good. Okay, so we'll say your suggestion look good. We will go with having last updated by and last updated on columns in all possible tables, in all possible tables. Then then which one we were considering? Let me see. A trailer ID, no. Junction, no. This is no. Cast, no. No, no, no. Okay. Also include the corrected typos from your side. And can you generate SQL? Let me say MS SQL, because we are basically, it has to be TSQL to create these tables. So let me read out it again. Okay, your suggestion looks good. We will go with having last updated by and last updated on column in all possible tables. Also include the corrected typos from your side. And can you generate MS SQL TSQL script script for all these tables? Let's say what do we do? Okay, so let's see. ChatGPT has generated the response, and it has, you know, created the table content type. Okay, industry. Okay, fully. The complete list is ready. If you are okay with it, can give you the entire script here in parts or retry file generation. No, so we need can you please provide all table script in one response so that I can easily copy it, right? Let me push this. Okay, so chat gpt has generated the response in one, let's say, content type, industry, okay, content genre, okay, content, okay, what does he added anything, approved by admin, okay, good, this is good. Create table, content language, okay. Content id, language, okay. Okay, okay, over here probably will not do need these, but let's see. We'll remove wherever not required. Content role, okay, this is good. Cast, okay, id, image, gender, okay, is approved by admin, yeah, okay, this is okay, this is okay, this is good. Okay, so let's move ahead, this is also good. Content, cast, content id, cast id, this is also good, but I think we will have to mark, you know one thing I missed to inform it, that every field actually should be not null. Okay, so it is taking some of the few as not null. For example, let's say this content id, right? Okay, let's see, let's as of now move ahead. Okay, can you, okay, can you please also mark all field as not null, all field as not null, and foreign keys, and define foreign keys as well. Let's say, what does it say? So chat gpt has generated the response. Let's see, let's take a look at it once. So it is adding not null at possible places, that is good. It has also added, and we requested foreign keys also, right? So it has also added foreign keys, so this looks good, this looks good. Okay, I think this looks good, this script looks good, right? So what we'll be doing, that's it in this video. In next video we will create the database, and we will create these tables also, right? Thanks for watching this video, see you in the next video.